This is the Casa Duende. Just the day after yesterday we had a workshop here and a little party. This is why there is the cooking stove up here. Gas stove for the first time actually yesterday, second time. And now it's gonna be up here a bit more often. Also I have now nice working plates, cutting board, and the kitchen is well equipped. Nice utensils, pots, pans, plates, food, a bit of sesame seeds, all kind of seeds, and then spices, ginger, cinnamon, anise, a few fresh spices. Here is a bit more spices, some eggs from the neighbors, quite a good stock of dry food, pasta, lentils, rice, flour, chickpeas, the water coming fresh from the river every day pretty much, a bit more utensils, up here the bottles, oil, honey, panela, liquido, coconut milk. Then here some of the working utensils that were used for the workshop, and that I just use every day. Machetes, different sizes, knife, saw, wood carving tools, which is a very nice addition since today, borrowed from the neighbor. Here's a few things that I created in the last days. This one, frying, another one, big one, and a few ongoing projects, like a big spoon. A lot more material here. Can be used, or it is on the process of being used. And then yesterday there were a few nice things created. There was a couple of people here. For example, here, dream catcher, big dream catcher. This beautiful basket here, somebody made. This one somebody started to make. It's like a bag or a hat, multifunctional, out of string. These are some leather bags for the machetes I made. Then over here, a beautiful basket somebody made yesterday as well. This one for sitting. These are all out of lianis. And then this is chapati, the newest addition to this place. Since yesterday, it wasn't feeling very good with its old owner. He was actually sick. He was very weak, and now I decided, I got offered if I want to take care of him. And this is what's happening. Very hungry these days, and playing a lot with the other cats. This is why it's nice that she's here. So this is the Casa Duende for now. Let's see how it will change soon.